Okay, welcome back to the second part of the video. In the second part of the video, we're just going to add a fish. So I'm going to go down here to the bottom again to get to the cat. I'm going to click again on the magnifying glass there. I'm going to click in animals. Now, in the animals, we've got these fish there here, so I'm just going to click on that one. Now, at the moment, it's showing that fish, but you can choose the fish that you want. If you click on costumes, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different fish. So I'm just going to click on them and click on the dustbin to get rid of the fish that I don't want. There we go. So here's our shark, here's our fish. Now you can see as well that our fish is probably the same size as our shark, so I'm just going to make him a little bit smaller. So you click on the fish, you've got this number here, size 100. If we make that number smaller, our fish will shrink. So I'm just going to make him half the size, around 50. And just click on enter, and there you go. You can see we've got our fish. Right, let's get our fish moving around. So we're going to click on the code sections, we're going to click on events, and again this is going to start when we click on the green flag. Now I'm going to click in the looks one here. Now down on the looks one here, we scroll down, we've got a show block. So our fish is going to come onto the screen when we press the green flag. Let's click the green flag. Right, we want our fish to move around, but we're going to add another block in there now. We're going to add a repeat until block. So he's going to move around until he touches the shark. So let's drop that block in. We then need to go to our sensing block, which is here. I'm going to drop that one in. Now at the moment it says touching mouse pointer. So what would happen is if I touch that with the mouse pointer, the fish would stop. But we don't want the mouse pointer. We want the shark. So let's click on the shark. There we go. And all we want him to do is exactly the same thing that we were doing before. So we're going to move 10 steps. Remember, when it gets to the edge of the screen, it needs to bounce back. So let's scroll down and find that block. So if on edge bounce, we're then going to have set rotation left and right. There we go. So if I now make this a little bit bigger, we're going to click on the green flag, and we can see our fish is starting to move around. If I move my shark down, you can see that when he touches the shark, he's actually now stopped. So what we would then want him to do to make it give the impression that it's actually been eaten is to go into the looks block, and we're going to hide the fish. So sorry, let's go into the looks one. Let's scroll down again, and then we've got hide. There we go. So what I'm going to do now is just going to go back onto green screen, just stop it for a second, and we'll start it now to see what happens. There's our shark. Let's move him down towards the fish. There you go, you can see that the fish has now disappeared. So it's given that impression that the shark has eaten the fish. Right, that's the basis of the game. In the third part of the game, I'm going to show you just how you can make a few improvements to that game so that the fish will appear again and you can start to add a score.